Hello beautiful souls! In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a Tibetan style mala necklace. Leave approximately 15 centimeters of cord and make an overhand knot. Add your first bead and make your next overhand knot. When adding the next one, you can gently push it towards your knot to make it tighter. Just keep repeating the same process until you have 27 of your 6mm beads. Now add your 10mm counter bead and continue with your next 27 6mm beads in the pattern you want. You can also start by adding your first counter bead in the middle of your cord and move on from there. This way, you will have less cord to work with on each side and it might be easier. Making a mala is a meditative process, so please take your time. To complete your mala, add your guru bead and pin it on your board. Make your closure by creating 3 square knots. Make an overhand knot at the back of your closure, cut the excess cord and burn the edges slightly to secure your closure. Measure 5 centimeters, add your finishing beads, and your Tibetan mala necklace is ready and adjustable. You can use it for your meditation, wear it on your neck, or even as a bracelet. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more. It helps me a lot. Sending you love and light, Catherine.